All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Mike Trout All-Star Ball Winner's Choice. So we'll check the time. Let me make sure I got all the payments in here. Ryan's in there. Okay. We'll check the time April 20th at 1:37 p.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. We have April 20th at 1:37 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries, including our 3 mini spots. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chad. Spot 5 is your winner. Excuse me. So, Chad, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 20th, 1:38 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.